Oh, you've got that. Okay.
More.
Yeah, you better get some more. I really like your track. I think it's really a unique layout. I don't think anybody has ever thought of this particular layout, Jackson. I mean, it's pretty clever. You got any more trains? Oh. Okay. Oh boy, this is busy track. It goes up and over. You got a bridge. You got tunnels. You got it all, huh?
Tunnel. It's a tunnel. It's a large tunnel.
And the train goes under there?
It's a tunnel.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to
It goes right under there.
Wow.
Oh, you're right. It clears. It does clear. Pretty clever. Okay. And then it comes right out. Very nice, Jackson. I like it. I think it's a great layout. This is one of your best. Good job, Jackson. Hey. Good job. Thank you. He says while watching TV.